Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Civil Architect tutorial, how to make a flat roof. So for example, I will draw simple room and it will be automatically create for the roof. Now you can go to 3D perspective view. And the next, if you want to make this roof flat, you can go to build menu, click on roof, and then click build roof. You can set for pitch degrees, like into 0, and then you can click OK. Now it will be automatically create the flat roof. Okay, that's it for a basic Civil Architect tutorial, how to make a flat roof. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.